Good morning, friends, and new day, new set of gynecomastia patients. Today's video I want to discuss about the role of Vaser in gynecomastia surgery. We know gynecomastia is of different grades. Grade 1, 2, 3, 4. Grade 2, 3 and 4 have a good amount of skin, and therefore some of that skin, in most patients 90% of the skin just contracts beautifully well. However, if we were to add on Vaser, we get much better results in terms of the skin contraction, the skin shaping. Then there are some patients, कुछ लोगों को chest packs बनाने होते हैं, तो उनके लिए भी much better results आते हैं with Vaser. Then grade 2, grade 3, grade 4 में कुछ patients में there's a lot of loose skin, 2B, 3B categories जो होती हैं, they have a lot of loose skin. तो ऐसे patients में Vaser is magical. It can actually cause a good amount of skin contraction to an extent that in some patients we can avoid skin lifts as well. However, it is not that it is magic. ऐसा नहीं है कि कोई जादू हो जाता है, उसकी भी अपनी limitations होती हैं. Very severe loose skin, we do not get very good results at all. Also, very important, जितनी skin contraction Vaser करती है, उससे ज़्यादा कोई technology है ही नहीं. So use of radio frequency or use of micro air or body tight or J plasma does not add to the efficiency of the procedure, especially in gynecomastia. It does not add to the efficiency of the procedure. Therefore, I always consider Vaser as the ultimate for skin contraction for gynecomastia especially. And even six packs abdomen in women, we do hourglass, BBLs, etc. We get amazing results just with Vaser, and I have never felt the need to do any other procedure like J plasma or body tight or use of micro air. And I find that pretty wasteful. मुझे लगता नहीं कि उसकी कोई खास जरूरत. How does Vaser work? So Vaser is an energy. It's a technology. इलेक्ट्रिक करंट को साउंड एनर्जी में कन्वर्ट करना है. साउंड एनर्जी स्किन कॉन्ट्रैक्शन कॉज करती है. हाउ? बाय टाइपिंग द कोलेजन. सो स्किन के अंदर कोलेजन होता है, जनरेशन ऑफ हीट कॉजेज कोलेजन कॉन्ट्रैक्शन एंड दैट कॉजेज स्किन टाइटनिंग. नाउ एवरी अदर डिवाइस, सो फॉर एग्जांपल जे प्लाज्मा है या बॉडी टाइप, दे आर रेडियो फ्रीक्वेंसी बेस्ड डिवाइसेस, RF बेस्ड, व्हिच आल्सो वर्क ऑन कोलेजन. दे कॉज कॉन्ट्रैक्शन ऑफ द कोलेजन. सो लॉजिकली तो लाइक आई सेड, Vaser हैज ऑलरेडी स्टार्टेड इट्स वर्क और वो मैक्सिमम स्किन कॉन्ट्रैक्शन कॉज भी कर चुका है. सो एडिशनल स्किन कॉन्ट्रैक्शन कैसे होगी? देयरफॉर दैट इज व्हाई आई नेवर यूज J plasma और बॉडी टाइप, बिकॉज आफ्टर Vaser वी डोंट फाइंड एनी अदर एडवांटेज. सेकेंडली, Vaser वर्क्स ऑन फैट, स्पेसिफिकली ऑन फैट, not on arteries and nerves etc. and therefore it is very specific for fat and hardly causes any tissue damage at all. Now I have started with a Vaser technology. I am doing Vasering of this area, and very soon you will see white colored fluid which is broken down fat coming out from the port that I am using to do the Vaser process. So especially grade 3 patients में I really like to do Vaser because बहुत अच्छी तरह फैट ब्रेकडाउन हो जाता है, एंड जैसे ही मैं लाइपोसक्शन स्टार्ट करूंगा वी विल गेट वेरी वेरी क्लियर, वर्चुअली ब्लडलेस फैट जो कि हम लोग ब्रेक डाउन कर चुके हैं विद द Vaser टेक्नोलॉजी. नाउ आई एम यूजिंग द Vaser 2.0 टेक्नोलॉजी, 2.0, which is the latest machine for body contouring. It is a beautiful device and gives amazing skin contraction and amazing fat breakdown. In fact, 2.0 device is much better than the 1.0 device which was earlier used in terms of skin contraction and acting on the fat. Also, a word for all our international patients that India is very safe in terms of the corona situation. So if you are planning to come down to India for your plastic surgery, please do not hesitate. We are doing very well with the corona situation and there is nothing to worry for any patient, Delhi से बाहर से हो, India से हो या international patient. So this is what I wanted to discuss today. What is the role of Vaser? I today use Vaser in 90% of my patients except category 1 group. जो grade 1 है उसमें I don't like to use because बहुत ज़्यादा फैट नहीं होता तो there is nothing much to do. Specifically 6 pack के patients हैं chest packs हैं, hourglass, BBLs, grade 2, grade 3, grade 4 gynecomastia. 100% of patients I like to use razor. Of course, कुछ patients के budgets थोड़े से limited होते हैं, so in those patients we are not able to do the razor technology. But in all others, as a rule, we prefer, because I have seen significant benefits of razor. इस वजह से I promote razor for those kind of things. So you can connect with me, you can connect with my team if you would like to on 9811994417. You can also send me an email on info@divinecosmeticsurgery.com. So, and you can send your photographs for clinical assessment in assessment and the plan for your gynecomastia surgery. If there are any questions, you can leave that in the comments. This video will also go on Instagram and IGTV. So you can leave any questions, comments on that as well. Thank you so much for watching us and stay tuned for further updates.